Imagine a CRM experience like nothing imagined before. Turing-GPT is much more than a CRM, it is a complete business management system (CBM), designed to be completely customizable from the ground up in ways that no other current competitor can compete with. All of the customization features of the large CRM companies, as well as complete control of your database. The backbone of Turing-GPT is Google Cloud architecture. This allows us to offer unprecedented levels of flexibility, scalability, and security within our platform. You control every aspect of your data. It cannot and will never be utilized by Google or Turing's solutions employees. Coupled with Vertex AI technology, we offer the first commercially available CRM solution for manufacturing that allows for machine learning to be plugged in out of the box. With Turing-GPT, deploying a machine learning algorithm to train on your data is as simple as selecting the dataset and AI model from drop-down menus. Even though Turing-GPT is built on bleeding-edge, industry-leading technologies, our ultimate goal is flexibility. Out of the box, Turing-GPT comes with no machine learning algorithms or AI assistance enabled, which offers complete flexibility when it comes to these features, but it also offers you the flexibility of not deploying them entirely. Turing-GPT goes way beyond what a typical CRM can do and is built specifically for manufacturing and distribution. Out of the box, you get access to advanced quoting and proposal tools, inventory and product management, field service delivery optimization tools, as well as all of the standard bells and whistles that you would expect from a typical CRM platform. Empowering any or all of these modules with machine learning is as simple as navigating a drop-down menu. You could easily employ machine learning algorithms against your opportunities for inventory management or on literally any field that is data accessible to the platform, all built on top of industry-leading encryption which ensures that your data will always remain your data. Turing-GPT is the next revolution forward in CRM technology, empowering you with more tools and flexibility over your own ecosystem than ever before. Turing-GPT is your next level CBM.